Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and good. Today I will show a cut crease makeup tutorial. I have done my base makeup and only I will show the eye makeup, because if I show the full base makeup it will become awful to watch the video. So let's jump to the eye makeup and let's get started. Today my choice is BH Cosmetics Take Me Brazil palette. It is one of my favorite palette, and the concealer that I've used, that is from Kryolan Supra Color shade Ivory. I have used my concealer as an eye primer and marked the color in the palette that I have chosen for today's eye makeup. At first I have chosen a neon green color and later the dark green color, and I blended the two colors with the help of light green. Using a little bit tiny amount of products in my eyelid and trying to blend all the colors so that it's create an illusion of green and yellow. At the extreme corner of the wing I have chosen a deep blue and blended gradually with deep green. Always keep in mind that while doing such work you must have patience and take your time and do such thing. And I am trying to blending gradually with my skin with the help of blue and green. After blending the harsh line, I am cutting my crease. Here I have cut my crease little bit higher from my actual crease line. After setting it with the white shade, I am applying the concealer again near my lash line where we usually put our eyeliner. Now applying the same shades and the same procedure that I have used previously. Cleaning all the lines with the concealer and making it appropriate and vibrant. Completing the lower lash line with the same shades of green. Chill guys, I know here I'm looking very weird. I have completed my makeup with an eyelash. My lip shades are from Maybelline, both are from Maybelline. I will link it down in my description box. I have also applied a very thin eyeliner that is from ELF and a mascara from Maybelline. So guys, here is my final look. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and families. Do comment your thoughts and also comment if you want to see such type of makeup. Show me your love by subscribing my channel. Also catch me on Facebook and Instagram. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye. Love you guys and stay safe.